Ibeaton Breakfast ku-104.1 The Pumping Beat of Ekas. Leli ngicela kumdlala manje nguManana. Yathi ungijabulisa ngento leyo one uyathi ukuthi sitokhuluma ngani ke. Ngikosihloko sengoma ke sithi calendar singena ku-Alamein Time nagogo Mohadi sine calendar yakwantu. Gogo angikwamukele lapha sakadweni kunjani?
Saphila njani mkhulu?
Siyaphila. Awuthi ngikubude sonje tisuku. Le calendar le asingeke sikhone kuyikhipha kahle kahle ngoba lama date ethu lapha angaphambana kakhulu ngeke sikhone lapha ngoba i date ishintsha nje ngenyanga nje liqiniso lelisebaleni ukuthi masingafuna ukuyikhipha ibe i-document angeke silunge.
Hayi no, yona ingasebenza wena mkhulu because angithi okwamanje we still trying to realign akhe mhlambi system parallel ngoba ngeke silahlele ngalendlela lesiphila ngayo for now. But we're right manje senza le episode ngoba it gives people time to prepare ukuthi kuzongena enye isizini.
No ngisho mangafuna ukuthi sikhiphe kumbe ngafuna send i-prediction njenge-weather ukuthi mangabe sithini siyikhipha eholi year aningisaba lokuthi anisimo sitshintsha noma siku i-weather noma ungayi-predict awuvami kuyisha straight so ngithi masingafuna siyikhiphe sithi maybe January tuqala mhla ka-17 then February uqala mhla ka-8 angiboni ukuthi singaba accurate lapho vele so ngisabela lokuthi masingathi
no 100%
yeah
100% angithi le calendar le i-calendar ehamba nature.
Yes.
So all the systems Tines is created, you know, even on the Gregorian calendar, there's no accuracy with vele E1 that June in 2025 so fana ne-1 that June in 2026, you know. So kahle i-calendar kumele isambe ngayo is thina mele si-observe in-nature. But unfortunately, okwamanje mele si-create systematically, you know. Ngoba I think mesiqala inkulumo yethu ngithe kuwe sometimes the full moon is on the 12th, the next month is on the 13th. So okhokho used to create yona le calendar lena or know ukuthi okay inyanga entsha lena observing what is happening in the cosmos.
Okay, asingene namhla ke sambe kulena namhla singena elomakelo ngiyamthanza mina nje ngifuna ukuba honest. Ngibe ebaleni lesitokhuluma ngayo nami mangabe basengifaka etu kwe-calendar abantu bafakile abantwana babo nami bengitawufaka nawo ngomngami wakama-art. So icaleni le season lesingena kuyo because singena tu kwe-season lesho.
Yebo mkhulu. I mean angithandela uset yazi ngiyathanda iset season kodwa uma art yena uyafika and just restores the natural law, the natural order of things. Kodwa songena kule season lena by calendar, but remember in nature is not rigid njengathi. So inyanga angithi sesibonile ukuthi the new moon is already out as well.
Yes,
so
yes,
already there is a new season eqalile. Kodwa kule calendar yethu we try to keep it consistent. So izoqala nge-23 kaJuly iphele nge-23 ka-August.
Okay.
Before the new season eqala. Then le color yale season lena is your violet colors. So your purple shades, you can talk those things or usbeke msamo. So be in that frequency of the color. Ngizochaza kancane ukuthi purple color is shokuthini. And then the gemstone is an amethyst stone. So this one is a very important stone, especially for those that struggle with dream space, that struggle with intuition. So ngicela lena nithole. It's a very powerful stone, highly available. So ngayithola lena. And then insimbi yakhona is a platinum. Then the incense is Horus. The scent is frankincense. So lena is readily available. And then isihlahla sakhona is papyrus. So the papyrus tree, this is where in ancient times, one of the earliest methods zokubhala ama-page ayenziwe ngalesihlahla lesi papyrus. And then the animals associated is khova. So minbonia is khova ngalesikhathi lesi ningathi banthakatha. Is khova, an ostrich, and a heron. So ngifuna ukuhlala la kancane ku the ostrich, something relatable for us. But mobheka wena khehla kwaZulu, the Zulu kingdom, right? Banokugqoka but in this feather, right? So this again goes back to ubukhosi kama-art. But let's touch ukuthi uma-art ubani kahle kahle. So ma-art is that energy or umoya lona that comes and restores things after this chaotic season gaset. I'm sure for those who are still maybe watching primetime news, in Bonilo Guti, Gule case le ahambai, Bomadanga Commission. This is a time for justice, to have time for law and order. So it's Bonile, the chaos that was happening, you know, some blood was spilled, usually kayona the season got set. So set when akesha. Set is not a negative force or the opposition to ma'at. Set ubishis alento les that do not align no ma'at, because in ancient times when akesha, Lomoya Logama Ato, Lomoya Lowe order was highly revered. So all these energies, they all work for Ura to restore uma-art. So uset uyafika khehla ubhidliza all these things, you know, these systematic things. That's why sibonile ngalesikhathi lesiyabona ukuthi yazi in government seku-exposwa ezinye izinto, people are getting arrested left, right and center because yona le system lena khehla it-displace umuntu omnyama. And if umuntu omnyama u-displaced, the natural order yasemhlabeni is out of balance. So the way umuntu omnyama la khona, the way kune-chaos enzakala kwamanje is ukuthi ama-gods khehla asiz-understand ukuthi ngabobani, asazi ukuthi indawo yethu ikuphi, silaphana at the bottom of the barrel. So that is why nature will always revolt until there is a balance of law and order. But ngifuna ukuhlala la sithatha kancane also the last episode where we spoke ngamashakra khehla. Akhumbula ngathi sizongena kuyo mesingena kule season kama-art. So ma-art, there's something called the 42 confessions of ma-art. So tina as people mesqala ilanga lethu, we would do these confessions, you know, I will not kill. So where the 10 commandments come, they come from these 42 laws. So I will not kill today. I will not sleep with my neighbor's wife. So all those things. And they didn't shorten them in order to control. But uma-art khehla is a self-governing system. So as jajani tina kwantu, as jajani uyajaja wena self. So more is allow my confession when the sun rises. I will not do this today. I will not do this. I will be in harmony today. I will speak in truth. All those things khehla, those are also your character development. Umuntu ophelele mele akwazi uku-operate kanjalo, you know. So you make these confessions beginning of the day. So in the morning getting negative affirmations, ebusuku getting confessions. So ebusuku after the sunset ucounter lezo ongazenzanga. Angithi akumele ukhuluma amanga. So if the day passes, you know, I have not killed anybody, I have not coveted my neighbor's wife, I have not done this, I have not lied, I have not. We are confessed khehla ngoba it's a self-governing system. Akekho umuntu ongaphandle ozokhomba ngomunye ukuthi hey wena unjani. So lento leyo kujajana ayikho kwantu wena khehla. So these 42 laws mkhulu bazithathile the ancient and compressed them into what we call the 7 ideals of ma-art. Ilezi ezichaza ukuthi uma-art kahle kahle usebenza kanjani, or lo moya lo kama-art usebenza kanjani. Uma-art ngesintu sithi umthethokazi, right? So the great law. That's a sort of memolao, right? Because it's represented by a female deity. And it's this deity in amaphiko, but it's different from amaphiko ka Osset. So the 7 ideals zgamthethokazi. Number 1 is truth. Number 2 is harmony. Number 3 is justice. Number 4 is balance. Number 5 is order. Number 6 is morality. Number 7 is reciprocity. So again, when I khehla, more bigger zona these ideals. I want to take it back to why they would also wear this feather. So back in the day when I'm cool, it's unfortunate today asana my kingdom per se, you know. They don't even know how to connect with the cosmos, because inkosi was the earthly representation of lezinto ezenzakalayo emkhathini. But kwamanje we just keeping the gear, the leopard prints, you know, but we don't practice ngenyanga as well, who don't know how to communicate nenyanga physically, you know. So there is a lot of restoration that still needs to be done. But khehla, if ungabamba lezo ukuthi, you know, I need to tell the truth, I need to be in harmony, justice, that is why we are seeing other people getting arrested kule Madlanga Commission, because justice needs to come into place. And uma-art wena khehla, in some depictions uzobona that scale that shows law and order. That is the scales of ma-art. But mesileta la kwantu mengithi self-governing, there's a saying lana ethi, your heart, when you go into the afterlife, you get to a place like where your heart against the feather. So your heart needs to be lighter against the feather. That is why you will see those things. So le yokuzondana, your hold grudge, those are your vibrator low. Those are things that keep you vibrating low. So that is why if you're somebody maybe who's familiar with reincarnation, ushukuthi wena uqedanga umsebenzi wakho la emhlabeni, so zo reincarnate ngoba wena uhambe inhliziyo yakho that is heavier than the feather of my art. But it's symbolic when I khehla. So asazobona nathi ku afterlife ukuthi vele inhliziyo yakho bayikhipha. But in ancient Kemet when I khehla, your organs bebazikhipha, and then bezikapha, you know, your heart as well, nearly part of the funerary arrangement lap, right? So when you go into the afterlife, ukhatshwa u-antu yakuyisa lapho kuma-scales kama-art, and then uyajajwa lapho. There's a whole council, kuno Jehuti, kuno Asa, Backjudge ukuthi okay wena bozonda abantu wena bojudge abantu wena you didn't live in truth bongaphili in harmony and all of that bongana morality. So I know the snake is going to swallow you, but it's symbolic, remember. But I'm only using these because we are familiar with the concept of sin. Tina want to ask sin. We self-correct, Tina want, So that is why as judge. Then the balance when I kehla, that balance, I think we see guys I touch the yin and yang, the law and order, the dark and the balance. Because remember, the light comes from darkness. So darkness is not bad. Darkness is a teacher, So that is why if you go on processes, mhlawumbe is there that uthatha umuthi njengesipili so, right? Isipili, you're gonna take it in a place like kumnyama khona because you're in darkness, but you're seeking the light, right? So from darkness, you're seeking the light. So isipili is just a process where unomuthi othathayo and then you just get shown what's happening in your life. But uhamba ufuna ukuthi ngikhanyisa kanjani kulento lena, but the process when I hope the healers ngeke bakwatele, but you're in darkness basically, when in darkness for that light to emerge. And then the order kehla, like I said, ukuthi uset uzile wabhidliza yonke into because asikwazi ukakha on a foundation engcolile, so if they still like low vibrating entities njenge-system, so njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu omnyama kahlelanga kahle, so such things kumele sibhidlize usethi uyazibhidliza and then ma-art comes and restores ufaka i-foundation entsha ukuthi no sihamba kanjani ukuya phambili, right? And then morality, I think morality yasichaza, and then reciprocity ile kwabraje kwama-Christian bazothi do unto others as you'd like to be done unto self, right? It's that scientific law. The cause and effect. What you do outside is gonna reflect back on you. So that's why also more judgment was judge when self because you're seeing that negative thing in that person, So reciprocity, Kesh, I think we all need to learn. When I'm cool. This is a fair energy exchange, right? So let's beg the word fee. It's a fair energy exchange. You are giving me the slots, right, on radio, and so there's a good energy exchange. So that is why I'm not saying you need to bribe amadlozi or amatong, but there's something you need to give in order to receive. That is the universal law, an unbreakable law. It's one of those laws. And this is Lomoya law in all stages of creation, pre-time, post-time, in the fire phase, in the water phase, in the earth phase, in the air phase. Because this is the energy determine ukuthi lento le emhlabeni izosebenza kanje. Lesihlahla lesizolapha kanjani. The stars ukuthi kumele abe in what size. It is because of art. So she's the one that decides the measurements, pre-time, post-time, how things are going to take a shape, everything that we see here in the natural law of things, the natural order of things, but it is governed by Hut Noma Art, because throughout all these phases, bona bakhona. Okay, umlilo uzoba njani is because art ile energy le decide ukuthi okay, umlilo into ekanje, I'm giving form to into ekanje because of art. So art, remember, in all phases of creation. And then could make color purple. So color purple as well, in other dimensions, it represents ubukhosi, royalty. So that is why also you would see also but in the we know the Abrahamic religions, they plagiarize this information. Then what's that other one? Not the Roman Catholic, the Anglican. They use purple a lot, So when I'm cool, I want us to remind us the elites, they know all these things. These people know, and it's always very funny because Tina but the elites and those who are in control, they use our things, our magic, our heka, in order to rule the world, So that is why I say that you're a series when I'm cool and bongeka cool, because I think in Africa, and help you go back to yourself, because this is what I say with the work that I do, which, we are putting yourself, you are remembering you, this is something that is very familiar to you, but because peace when I'm cool. So what we are doing, your shows on your platform when I'm cool, we are helping to restore ourselves, sihlanganisa art within ourselves, because once you're able to fix yourself, then we can attend to bigger things, siyaqala with self, siqale ku-family, siqale ku-community, then lapho mhlawumbe nationally singahlangana, but okwamanje peace. So that is why right now we need to heal self before we can take or pretend we want to heal the rest of the nation. Thokoza mkhulu.
Lokunye wathi kuthi mina kusuke kukhuluma mina kusuke ngingakhulumi wena lo babe leli simbungata namuhla nama art bahlangana kanjani because last month uyakhumbula kuthi besibungata Timbi namuhla kune restoration bungata Mandela kuna 67 minutes waMandela yeah so ngibona ngathi nangu lomnye ma art lesinayo thina la because so uya restore uyakhumbula ukuthi last month besilwa ngini se restore this month yeah so akhona ama similarities lo wabonako ngalento lesikhuluma ngayo because ngibona lokho mina uyalibobuka nalelanga la namuhla sine sibungata ama art namuhla kubungatwa Mandela
mkhulu yabona lezi zinto le ngisho ukuthi the people know it's just Tina who never know these things you know
yeah
but ngoba there's two that lives in us
yeah.
And Sheila I think the last episode which you know sometimes sense izinto but we don't understand why sense izinto like we naturally in alignment
yes.
You know at times but yes when I'm cool very interesting to note you know ukuthi kidi 18 manje you know things subtle things like all these things that happen when I'm cool they happen by design by uhlelo so now let 18 ka June we are in alignment ihlelo kanjalo vele ukuthi no sesiyabuya sa restore thokoza mkhulu on noting that one
uthema uqala lesikhathi sikhuluma ngema chakras ayafana nalama laws akama art but nyalo kuna 7 core principles so ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ahluke kanjani nalama 7 chakras kumbe into lesingasho ukuthi icishe ku balance la just le 7
thokoza mkhulu so the 7 ideals zona ze truth harmony justice kanjalo angithi mkhulu
yes
but last episode sikhulume ngani nge root chakra ne
yeah besikhuluma nge-root
chakra okay mkhulu I'll say top of my head ne oh yes I forgot actually chakra point thank you for reminding me so we spoke the last episode so my art will be here in your heart center right
okay
but it is also the divine mother so certainly my art will be your heart center but let's go here so the first one truth when I'm cool that would now be your throat chakra, right?
Yes.
The blue region. Throat chakra. Then when we go to mkhulu yazi ithi ngakhuluma manga ithi ngibuyele kuwe sengihlele kahle
okay
but yeah very interesting I think next episode mkhulu will align 7 points to the 7 chakras
asibuyele kulenza ba emathulusi because imcoka la si aligna ne season so letinto leti ngidobe kusamhlambe ngaleti ilwane nangaleti ihlahla ngilethi vela kule season lesikuyo la that's why ubekusenje ngesikhova ukuthi singathuki because sine sathi lokuhlwane lokuthi siyatsapa so khambelana nale season le mhlambe lelinye ilanga sitawubungata isizini yegold kani gold ngilala imila khona nethi ngoba asinaki thina ngalento lesinothile yeah no besingakwazi
ukhumbule the owl also is a representation of wisdom and then wisdom is also related to ujehuti so my art nejehuti basebenzisana together and then the ostrich is the same feather that the royal house would be using so kwasamkhulu
nine labasikati laba tsinambelana nenature nema cycle enu so kunento lenginotisile ene ngikubutile ecala ukuthi okay siwabona njani le month ukuthi singena kuyo uthe ubekuse nge-new moon wena so ngifuna unqedze la makuqala le new moon kusho ukuthi kune new season kumbe ngaze kuvele le new moon before kusho ukuthi sicaphele ngeseason ngahle ibe khona because nabantu abazalwane bebabona ngema signs uze ngente kumntwana uyedwa ufuna kube ne sign lethide so nathi kahle kahle umuntu losincedza la ngile new moon ukuthi sibone ukuthi new season isonzela
thokoza mkhulu so that is why I think masiqala ngakhuluma ukuthi yes okwamanje because we're still trying to realign and still balance hambisane still with the Gregorian calendar nale calendar yakwan
yes.
We are using the masculine calendar which is the solar calendar right yes siyathatha kancane kwinkanyezi nenyanga and what not but kahle kahle mkhulu the actual calendar is the 13-month calendar which is based on the moon inyanga
yes
you know so amaZulu there's an episode on my channel ngizokusherela mkhulu uPrince Zoza Shongwe
unpacked
you know kaSizulu wise unpack ngeSizulu but diba 13 in totality wena mkhulu so that is why leBasotho lebona their calendar basebenzisa the lunar calendar because when the new month starts logically new month starts it means it's the new moon sesiqala kabusha so ibheka kanjalo mkhulu but njengoba ngishilo ukuthi because we're still trying to realign with ourselves you know we are using this rigid calendar mara in nature ayizwa ngathi you know in nature it processes how yona it processes okwamanje mkhulu it's just a tool that we are using to get back to ourselves but uzobona zona these activities vele closer to E23 you know but it won't exactly happen nge-23 all the time but at times banayo leyo nkanhla mkhulu especially with the equinoxes and then now once you start living conscious mkhulu you start feeling it you know ukuthi I man ngathi sekuyashintsha, you know, if you're a person okhuluma nama-plant wakho, you know, you notice subtle things. So we need to live consciously. Ngiyazi ukuthi okwamanje we've made consciousness and wokeness as a joke, you know, esijazana ngayo sihlekana ngayo, but umuntu ophila conscious, umuntu o-aware, you're not autopilot. You're not just letting life happen to you, but you observe ukuthi kwenzakalani, you know. So that is why also mokunento emoyeni edisturbayo, you are easily able to pick it up because umuntu ophila consciously, you know. You're not just living like a robot, you know. So that is why also in practices like more meditation and yoga, breath work is very important, mkhulu, because you're able to observe, you know, like Sayenza, but have you ever thought ukuthi, yo, what element am I connecting to when perfume kanje?
Yeah.
You know, ngiconnecta de kumbi lo moya kahle kahle, you know, those such things. But kancane mkhulu, and sibonge the likes of you who are spreading this knowledge, you know, who are giving us the platform lena to help our people realign back to themselves, you know, because I think most of us, we do know good time and right, you know. I'm not resonating like na lento le Bible, or I'm not resonating na le government lena. Like, what is it? Like, I'm seeking this balance, you know, and the balance lena is coming back to self, you know thyself, into thyself be true, like the ancients used to say. So those I'm cool.
Mina ngiyathemba nje anikatshintshi leli gama lamu nalisa Thumani nalabangani bakho focus distractor, because ntshintsha yonke into. Noma ningi magama leni wachintshile la, so lona business distractor. So la ngenteka nje sitshintshiwe thina, because besingeke sithi month kanti mabe sathi ukuthi imuni le intshintshile. Namuhla sine master sign, kufuna kuthiwe ma sun sign. So niyatshintsha ngoba i distraction, but sanibona ndawo vela ibaleni ku social media bakulandzela kuphi abafuna ukuthola more information nema videos akho.
Thokoza mkhulu, ngicela ngithole le ebook kama Arti, tholakala ku Stoned Queer Podcast on YouTube, and then on all social media it's Stoned Queer Podcast, no spacing. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, khona lapho. Please get these tools if you can. If you want to get them from our place, you can get them. Ngathumela email, ngathumela WhatsApp. Sibonge mkhulu kakhulu.
Mabuya ngicela sibuye sitophahla la radio, ngicale ngathi nje siphahlele nje le community le. Siphahlele moyeni, ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga mkhulu, thokoza.
Ipitom breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping beat of Egas Nkoko Mohadi. Sishavala njalo ke Element Time. Asibuya ku class lesintu na Princess we.